So Bybit has enough provision for different sizes of capital. So whether you are using large amount or small amount of capital to trade, there is definitely something you can do on Bybit. So in today's class, I'll be showing you how to invest $1 on the Bybit app. All right. Now this is quite very simple to do, and definitely I'll be explaining all the different steps of how to go about it. And before I get started, no part of this video should be considered as financial advice, and this is not a get rich quick scheme, and it is not a guaranteed way to get rich. All right. Obviously, if you are using the Bybit, you must have come across this area where you find the more. Okay, on this area, you're going to click on more, and Bybit has several plans for savings. And sometimes when you save different amounts on Bybit, you can be rewarded for your savings. Okay, and one of such areas where you can find that feature is on the finance area under the feature called the Bybit Earn. Okay, so you're going to click on the Bybit N, and this is a place where Bybit has different programs. So on the Bybit N, I've talked about this previously, but then today I'm going to show you how to do it practically. Okay, first things first, you have to select the particular crypto that you want to save, or the particular crypto that you want to invest. Okay, any one of them can go. So I'm going to come down on this area, and I'll prefer USDT. The reason why I prefer USDT is simply because USDT is similar to the dollars, and it is not affected by volatility. What this means is that the dollar doesn't rise sharply or fall sharply. Okay, so if you are doing something like Ethereum, if you are saving something like Ethereum, or you want to invest something like Ethereum, if the price of Ethereum goes down, you're going to lose some significant part of your money. Okay, but then the reason why I love the dollars is that it doesn't rise or fall sharply. Okay, you can practically control the event of things. So definitely I'm going to come to this USDT area, and there are three steps. Remember, I mentioned that this is a savings plan or like an investment plan, and what Bybit does is that depending on the amount of money you are saving with them, you can be rewarded for it. Okay, you get some rewards. So there are different levels. There's the flexible plan, there's a 7 day, there's a flexible and fixed. What the flexible means is that you can take out your money whenever you like. Whenever you lock your money on Bybit, you can take out your money whenever you like. All right, whenever you like, you can put it today, take it out, take off your money tomorrow. Okay, which means whenever you don't want to trade again, you can take out your money. What the 7 days means is that you have to leave your money locked here for 7 days, and after 7 days you can take it out. All right, now what this flexible and fixed simply means, you can choose, you can customize or choose how much days you want to leave it for: more than 7, more than 1, more than 2, more than 3. So I'd prefer using the flexible plan. All right, I'm going to click on the flexible plan on this area, and once I've selected that side, I am going to come, and okay, you can see that the minimum amount to um, save, or the investment amount, is 1.5 USDT. Okay, so I'm just going to put about 2 USDT because I have about 2 USDT on my balance. Okay, now what do I expect from it? And of course, what do I expect from it? So here you can first of all type in the amount you want to use. If I put in 2, you can see on this area, this summary, under the summary, that for amount less than 200 USDT or 200 USDT, the APR is about 6.74%, which means 6.74% is the APR. APR simply means annual percentage yield after a period of a year. Okay, which is the annual percentage yield for the USDT. All right. Now, for assets or amount less than 200 USDT, which is like my own less than 200 USDT, the APR is 1.74%. Okay, so this is actually showing, this place you see down here is I've explained this particular one. What this APR stuff means, I've explained this just now. Then the next one is the estimated daily yield. The estimated daily yield is what you're going to find here. It's going to be represented opposite it. So this is the crumbs of rewards Bybit can give to you, okay, on your estimated daily yield. Okay, so this is what is going to be yielding. You can calculate your yield, and you know how much you can you know calculate from it, or you know how much it can possibly bring about. Okay, then you can see source of yield savings, because this is like the savings, okay, on your Bybit. Then auto earn, if you want to, once you get your yield, if you want to automatically set it in such a way that your yield goes back with your capital, and then it keeps saving for you, then you can click on the auto earn. Okay, auto earn is going to activate that for you. Then you can now select the invest now down on the area. So once you click on invest now, you can see that it has started. Okay, now you can see the duration is flexible, which means I can take it out whenever I like, which is it. Investment amount 2 USDT, estimated APR 6.74%. Okay, now definitely with more capital, or with more savings, you can definitely enjoy this, because the estimated daily yield would be more. Okay, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on view my holdings. Let me click on view my holdings so I can see what it is, or where it is. I'm going to click on my asset. I'm going to open it, and I'm open it, and you can see this is only 2 USDT. And after like 24 hours, you're going to come here. You see yesterday yield, today's on. Okay, the auto earn is on. I can switch it off. Also, I can manually cancel it if I'm no longer interested. Most people have been asking, how do you cancel Bybit N? How do you cancel Bybit N? Let's say you're no longer interested. Okay, you're no longer interested. You can click on this area where you find this area, this place. Okay, but before I do that, let me see my history and show you something about my history. Okay, you can see my history. On my history, this is some of the auto end I've been doing. This is for USDT. I just activated now. This is my Ethereum that I've just been, adding. If I scroll down, you'll see more Ethereum with their dates and everything. Okay, more USDT, more Ethereum. All these are crumbs of USDT, that Bybit would reward their users who save money with them. So whenever you are no longer interested, you just want to cut out, you don't want to continue, you click on this area, that arrow, and then you can click on redeem. You can click on redeem. This place you see redeem. You select redeem. When you click on redeem, you can see that everything is going to go off. You have redeemed it. It no longer be here again. You can see you have redeemed it. Click on continue to redeem down here. In case it doesn't redeem immediately, click on continue to redeem. And once you select all the amount, the maximum amount you want to redeem, you click on redeem, and you give it some time. You can see redemption successful. The money will be removed from it and put back into your funding wallet, and that's how you can redeem. So you're not going to see anything here any longer. All right, it's no longer going to be there. You can see your end area will now be empty, empty, empty. So if you have more questions regarding this, you can actually come down in the comment area to let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you on the next one.